In this video, I'm going to show you how to join the Hostinger affiliate program step by step so you can apply, get approved, and start earning commission by promoting Hostinger. If you want a simple way to monetize your content, website, or audience, this is a great place to start. And before we begin, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to hostinger.com/affiliates. This is the official Hostinger affiliate page, and it's where the application process begins. Once the page loads, look for the button that says Access Affiliate Platform. Go ahead and click that. After that, Hostinger will ask you to sign up or log in. If you already have a Hostinger account, you can simply log in with those details. If you're new, create your account first and continue. This step is important because it connects your affiliate profile to your login and lets you manage everything from one dashboard. Next, you'll be taken into the affiliate platform application form. Here, you'll need to fill in your details carefully. Hostinger may ask for things like your website, your traffic sources, your content type, or how you plan to promote their services. Take your time on this part and make sure your information is accurate. The more clearly you explain your audience and promotional methods, the better your chances of getting approved. If you have a blog, YouTube channel, social media page, email list, or any other platform where you plan to share Hostinger, include that here. Even if you're just starting out, be honest and provide the best information you have. Some applications are reviewed manually, so a clear and professional application can make a difference. Once you've filled in all the required details, click Submit Application. After that, your application will be sent to Hostinger for review. At this stage, all you need to do is wait for approval. Depending on the review process, this may take some time, so keep an eye on your email and your affiliate dashboard for any updates. When your application is approved, you'll gain access to your affiliate account and your unique affiliate link. This is the special link you'll use to promote Hostinger products and services. Whenever someone signs up through your link, you may earn commission based on Hostinger's affiliate terms. From there, you can start sharing your affiliate link on your website, in video descriptions, in blog posts, on social media, or anywhere else your audience can discover it. Just make sure your promotions are helpful, honest, and relevant to the people you're reaching. That's the best way to build trust and get better results over time. So, to recap, all you need to do is go to the Hostinger affiliates page, click Access Affiliate Platform, sign up or log in, complete the application, submit it, and wait for approval. Once you're accepted, grab your affiliate link and start promoting. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.